Well, what inspired an Archiblox home was a combination of things: the design, the ethos, also the fact that it could be done in a very short period of time, which was good for the kids and everything like that. It was one of the few pockets of houses that actually sit on the beach side of the Great Ocean Road, and that was one of the central things that attracted us to this area. We wanted somewhere where the kids could easily walk to a good beach without having to cross a busy highway.
The Anglesea project at Laverton, it was around 9 modules, fully bespoke, fully customised as per the client's brief, aligning their budget to that brief from the get-go.
It basically starts with an introductory here at the studio in Burnley. We take the client's brief, we invite them back in within 2 to 3 weeks for a design presentation where they get to see what their vision is going to look like. And then we move to the interior design, architectural construction drawings. We move into contract and then construction.
The main drive for his project was for his children's narrative of beachside living to continue.
It was designed to be a family home and to encourage kids and adults as well to get outside, to really generate those memories that we all have as kids.
Archiblox is really a life-enhancing brand. We're about creating homes, buildings for people to live a healthier and happier lifestyle.
When a client's saying, look, they're really happy with the process and the progress, it puts a cherry on top.
The process becomes very easy and certainly met those expectations. It was pretty amazing when you think about it, how quickly it all went and how quickly they've done it. 2 days you have a house.